Yeah, if we did a weight mod then, so we're looking like there's not much to it. 0.6 of a gram if you take that out. And the battery and the label, that's it. That's literally all you can take out of it. Like, there's nothing to do. We're going to have to chop it straight off the bat. A couple of screws maybe. Change the battery. Probably take 3 grams off it, changing the battery. We do the battery first, I think. So let's tweak the battery. There's a stock. What am I going to put in it? We might have to tweak it though. Let the modding begin. What's your guess? What do you think weight we're going to get it down to? We've got to get to 50. But I think even 55 grams is pretty light for an ergo, right? So that's what your sort of weight is with this modded battery. It should be 60 grams, which is the super light, but it is an ergo, so ergos are normally heavier. So boom, I was right. So that could be a non-destructive mod if you can get a battery with that connector. 4 grams off it, right? So we have to find some other space, people. Looks like we're busting out the drill. Well, I can see some nice little points we're going to do here, so we're definitely trimming out this button. I still think getting 10 grams out of this is going to be difficult. Got to be honest. Bye. So we're going to trim all this out, and then we'll actually just cut it out first, and then we can see what's left. Let's get the drill out. Quite thick, the base on this. So the other thing I'm thinking about here is drilling out like the side of here a little bit, because we don't need all that. So let's get some of that out of the way. See what that post was for. I realise now we don't need it, so that's good. Oh, hit me straight in the face. So that little bit of post there sits against this post here. Stops it moving, so we'll keep that in. We don't need this thing, I know I had these before. This can come out. Unless you've got a massive load of pressure pushing down on it, it stops it from crushing down. So I don't think there's much more to take out the base here. I don't go too far up the front because that's where the PCB is going to sit with the buttons. You don't want to mess around there really. I mean, you can if you wanted to really push it, but you can get some flex then in the bottom of the shell, because that's where you obviously press, and then that can cause your buttons to feel a bit weird. That's what the base looks like. Not bad. Quite a bit out of the rear there. 3 grams out of that, I think. Got all these little struts to take out. There's some internal bits. It's going to be difficult to get in or out, so I might take out some of these posts maybe, but it's going to be difficult. Definitely trickier to do the shell on this because of what everything's built in. I'm going to take out the screw points because I'm not putting them back in. We're just going to glue the back because it's got enough side clips, and the bit of flex is the only reason why I'd glue it. I'm not going to go too far into the back of these because of the, see the post? It's actually connected to the back of the switch. I might leave that one. I know on this post, for instance, I want to keep it because that's what's pushing the side buttons in. You can also rip out the light on it. In here, we don't need this. No. Alright, I think it's time to put it back together. So 10 grams off it, not bad.